Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it's time for day 10 of the 30 days of sketches, and I am slowly catching up. I think it's the 11th today, so not too many more to go and I'll be all caught up. Anyway, today's sketch is by Shiana Sparks. I'll pop it up on the screen. This is a very busy sketch. I'm not doing some of this. I'm not doing the torn edges that you can see. So at the bottom there's, I think that says solid strip, 2 solid strips at the bottom, and then a torn strip, and then torn paper top right corner. Okay, I'm not doing the solid strips. I'm doing 2 torn strips down the bottom and no tears at the top. My pictures as well, I'm using 5 pictures, not 4, and they're all the same size. So my pictures are going to be arranged a little bit differently. My journal block is going to move over to the right hand side, not be at the top left. I traditionally like to put my titles at the top left. I like to work a diagonal on a page, and my eye naturally goes to the top left. Like when you're reading, you start from, you know, top left, go across to the right and then back again, and I never, very rarely do I put journaling in the top left corner. So my journaling is going to go on the right. Nothing wrong with putting journaling up there, it just doesn't suit my style of scrapping, so I will be moving it. My title though is going in the middle at the top because I've got a really big embellishment to use at that top left. So anyway, right, so my photos are more gardening photos because I just can, and I did. I'm going to do some inking on my background paper, and a lot of my embellishments are handmade embellishments because I'm in, I used to be in a couple of swap groups. I'm just in one now, but I've got so many handmade embellishments from swaps, I thought it's time to try and use some. So this is that big embellishment I was talking about. It's a basket of produce and flowers. So I thought, well, that's going to suit a gardening page, isn't it? So that's my really big element in my top left corner. I've got some others here. I've sort of got them already bundled together because I think I know where I want them to land on the page. I've got some puppies, and then I've got a lot of other handmade embellishments from swaps underneath that could work with this page. So if I feel I need something else, I've got these to look through. Okay, so I'm going to get on with it, and I will come back at the end. Okay, there is my completed page. Am I happy with the page? No, I'm not. I don't know. I just couldn't get anything to gel. I don't know. But I think the embellishments all sort of work together, even though they were from different people at different times. They all sort of work. I've got like the yellow sunflower theme going on, even though they're all different. And these were very long stems, like spikes, so I had to cut them down. But I think they work, even though these are not herbs, they're tomatoes and carrots. But anyway, it's the theme. The letters for the heading have no stick left to them, so I am going to have to take them off and stick them down properly. And I think this is slanting down a little bit, so when I do that I'll have to use a ruler to make sure they go on straight. I've got the puppies scattered around, and like I said, my journaling is going over here, and I think the stenciling I did on the background really stands out and works okay. You can't see much of this orange down here, but it's still a pop of orange, and that's why the heading is orange. So I'm sort of bringing in as much of that orange as I can, because I have it in here and I have the heading and this little pop of colour here. So if I did it again, I would definitely have this orange bit longer and have it come down here. That was my intent, but I didn't think about it until it was too late and went, oh really, that orange is hidden too much. I mean, I could try and pop another piece under there. I might do that, so in the final pictures coming up next you might see another bit of orange down here, just for a little more pop of colour to bring that down. But anyway, that is my layout. If you have liked this layout, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And don't forget to check out the playlist below for everyone else who's playing along with the 30 days of sketches. Until the next time, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.